how to create affiliate marketing website on Godaddy. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to create your own website, such as an affiliate marketing website using Godaddy over here. Now, if you don't know, Godaddy is a platform where you will be able to purchase domains. They're mainly a platform where you could look for a specific URL that you want to own, and they will allow you to own that. So for example, over here, let's search for a URL that could be a great affiliate. So let's say I'll link promote, something like this. Click on search, and you will be able to see available URL links that are currently for sale and for you to own, as you can see here. So Godaddy is mainly a platform where you will be able to buy domain like I explained earlier. And that's the first step of being able to create an affiliate marketing using Godaddy. Once you have successfully purchased a link or a domain, for example, this one, linkpromote.ai. To be able to purchase it, simply click on make it yours. Click on looks good, keep going. And basically, check it out and order it, and you will be able to earn Godaddy for a specific amount of time, or rather, this specific URL or domain for a specific amount of time. As you can see here, it depends on how you would like or how long you would like to purchase this domain, and different domains have different prices. So as you can see here, this is the current price, as you can see. So after ordering that, after successfully buying that, you will be able to now view under your products, under my products over here, the domain that you have already purchased. It doesn't matter if you have purchased multiple websites, but as you can see, I already have a domain. So inside of Godaddy, you are able to set up your own free website. As you can see here, you could also set up an email account or connect to an existing site. So if you created a website on Wix or on WordPress or any other website builder out there, you could connect the domain that you have purchased with Godaddy. So if you created your affiliate marketing outside of Godaddy, or like you created it in Wix, in WordPress, like I mentioned earlier, any other website builder, because you are able to set up a good affiliate marketing with any website builder as long as you are able to put the necessary information. And the back end part, or like the logic part, it's not something too complicated. You can just set it up in a way that you are comfortable with. But anyway, you're also able to do it with Godaddy. You are also able to create a website just like this one. Simply click on create a free website, or create a website, which is absolutely for free once you actually purchase your section. And over here, you will be able to put some features on your website. So the first step is to what are the features of your website. We could click on something else, because of course we're going to be creating something similar to an affiliate marketing where we are attracting affiliates to promote different products. So over here, we could just say something similar like promotional products. There we go. Click on continue. Then you could simply call your website or give it a name. So let's say the same name that we selected earlier, link promote. Something like this. Click on continue. And then you could put a little information, which will allow the AI to create a description for your website. So if you put a certain amount of information, you will be able to get some help with Godaddy's website with generating your data or information or description. As you can see right now, Godaddy is setting up our store. It's going to be super quick and very easy. It's not too complicated. And as you can see, we are now in their website builder. So now the important things to know when building our website or your affiliate marketing website is that what the affiliate marketing is, what different pages do you want, what should be here and what should be there. So I will leave those information to you guys, because each affiliate style depends on the owner, I guess. So maybe your style is to promote it right at the bat, but maybe you want other people to see different information first before you do that. So it depends on how you do it. So what I'm going to be mainly focusing on is how to use the website builder of Godaddy, so that once you successfully know how to use it, or like once you are now familiar through our tutorial on what sections are going to allow you to do a specific action, you can now simply try it out on your own and build it the way you want it to. So over here, we're simply going to click on continue to my site to proceed, and there we go. Now right now on our screen, this is our homepage. This is our website, as you can see here. You can easily add or modify different sections by simply hovering your mouse on a specific section that you want to change. Like for example, this one, your brand, our passion. We can click this and you will be able to change the information. So now instead of your brand, our passion, you could say your link. Something like that. Our brand. Something like that. Now you can change it to whatever you want. And you're also able to change the color over here on the right side. As you can see, the alignment as well. If you want to change alignment, as you can see, just like that. You could also change the background however you want it to be. You could select the button, as you can see here. You could select this, and then we could see settings over here on the right side. So basically in the left side, this is where you will be able to view the content, view the website in itself. And over here on the right side, this is where you will be able to see the settings for your website or about your website. You might notice over here that there are some plus icons over here, this sections. Basically, this will allow you to add sections. So if you click on add sections, you will be able to see sections that are available. You have blog sections, online sections, photo gallery sections. These are recommended. So there are also popular ones over here, and many other options over here. So generally for affiliate marketing, people might use contact over here, contact us, or yeah, there we go, job posting. This is something people could use, as you can see here. So it depends on how you want it to be set up. You could modify how you want the different sections to be arranged. So maybe this one you want to be at the bottom. You can simply click on move section down, which will move it to the bottom over here. And over here on the right side, right now we're currently looking at the home page. If you want to add an entirely new page, or you could connect it to another website, you could do that as well. But you would need to upgrade your plan to be able to add new websites to your, or rather new pages to your website. You can also modify the theme, like the look, the color, the font, the buttons, and some general settings over here, basic information and complicated information. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, you could use the website builder to create your very own successful affiliate marketing as well. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.